So guys, kung gusto nyo makuha yung ganitong hubog ng katawan or pump, lagi lang kayo mag-watch sa mga nilalabas ko everyday na video about fitness tutorial, okay? At pa-like and share and follow na din ang page ko at visit nyo na din yung YouTube account ko na ganun din yung pangalan, okay? At bago ko makalimutan pala, back workout and tricep workout tayo ngayon guys, ha? Memories fade, but legends never die. One last time, let's live for something I can feel. Siyempre, lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, importante, warm up bago mag-load ng mabigat. Para bago man tayo maglaro, hindi tayo nabibigla or iwas injury. Okay guys, lagi niyong tatandaan yan. Warm up muna, priority bago buhat. My blood, it's rushing, this ain't goodbye. We'll be back someday, and we will find our own way. Take control of our fate. So dito guys, yung unang workout natin, cable, straight arm pull down. Okay, 4 set to 15 reps to 12 reps. Okay guys, i-failure nyo. Okay guys, mas okay yung paglalaro na ganun. Pero yung failure, kailangan nandun pa rin yung concentrate. Okay guys. And like a car with no brakes, crash and learn, make mistakes, and we'll be back one day. We'll be back one day. Dito naman guys, let's pull down bar machine, okay? 4 set to 15 reps, no guys? Ayan. Yan yung position, okay? Yan. Hindi kailangan mabilis. Smooth lang, okay guys?
I got dreams, wanna go fast. Know this energy's here to last. Not a glass half full, overflowed. Gotta keep your eyes up on the prize. Only got one life, so it's worth a try. To find what makes you feel alive, that's the only way to live it right. And now we're all doing our own thing, but I'll never forget our glory days. My mind is full of the memories, yeah. And I'll never forget what they meant to me. Don't worry, we'll be back one day to celebrate our glory days.
So, next workout natin dito guys, let's close pull down, okay? Yan. 4 set to 15 reps kung kaya natin, okay?
Although it's over now, don't let it get you down. We'll be back around. For now.
So dito yung pinapatamaan ko naman dito, mid upper to. Okay guys. Yung pagkuha ko ng bar, papuntang ilalim ng chest ko, hindi papuntang ilalim ng pusad. Okay guys. Yung target kasi natin yung upper. Okay guys. 4 set to 15 reps.
Can feel some sorrow, a new day, it starts tomorrow. We'll wake up, new dreams to follow, a new goal and brand new motto. One last time, let's live for something. I can feel my blood, it's rushing, this ain't goodbye. We'll be back someday, and we will find our own way. Take control of our fate.
Eto guys, close grip. Okay? Pinakailalim ng back yung pinapatamaan natin dito. Okay? Papunta to ng ilalim ng pusad, hindi siya pataas. Ilalim talaga siya guys. Okay? Kung nakikita nyo minsan sa mga bodybuilder, yung parang may V-shape sila sa likod, yun yung target natin dun. Hindi to lats. Okay guys?
Crash and learn, make mistakes, and we'll be back one day.
Tapos dito naman guys, nag-tricep na ako. 4 set to 15 reps. Kung kayang igawin natin 20 reps, gawin nyo. Okay guys, ganun lang siya.
We'll be back one day.
Tapos dito guys, binaligtad ko yung hawak ko. Okay. Ayan. So, pinapatamaan natin yung pinakalikod ng tricep. Okay. Pero may konting failure pa rin siya sa side. Okay. Yan. 4 set to 15 reps. So, next naman dito, yung overhead dumbbell. 4 set to 15 reps. Okay, guys.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just...
Next workout naman natin dito, guys. Bench press barbell tricep. Okay. 4 set to 15 reps. Failure nyo kung kaya pa. Okay, guys.
Wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets. Live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams.